This video is sponsored by Predictive Coach, protecting your brand, your drivers, and your bottom line. To set up audio feedback by vehicle in MyGeotab, navigate to Assets, click the asset you'd like to set this up on, and click the Audio Feedback tab. Enabling any of these will make the Go unit beep under the specified conditions for this vehicle only. Driver identification reminders should be used if you want to be sure drivers sign in before using this vehicle. There are two main ways drivers can sign in: using an NFC tag or logging in via the Geotab Drive app. If your drivers are using NFC, you can choose how quickly they need to start using the vehicle once they've swiped in using their tag. You can also choose how long you'd like the device to beep if the driver is unidentified. Beep on engine RPM lets you specify at what level of revving you'd like the device to start beeping at the driver to let them know they're being too hard on the engine. Beep when idling for a period of time lets you set the amount of time the driver can let the vehicle idle before the device starts beeping. Speed warning lets you pick a speeding threshold that the vehicle should never surpass, here for start beeping, and have the device beep at the driver from the time the vehicle surpasses that threshold until he slows down to the stop beeping speed. This beep briefly button is actually a toggle that will be on when the button is this darker blue color. Beep on dangerous driving will beep when drivers have harsh braking, hard acceleration, or harsh cornering events. You can use this slider to adjust the sensitivity based on the vehicle's size. Options under Beep when seatbelt not used include setting the speeding threshold over the current speed limit that you'd like to have the system take into account, and using this toggle to include the passenger seat when monitoring seatbelt usage. Beep when reversing is as simple as it sounds. The device will beep when the vehicle is in reverse. Once you've got these settings configured the way you'd like, click Save up here to apply them.